Installing a GFI safety outlet, guys. This is considered a safety device. They are required in kitchens, bathrooms, garages, exteriors, and unfinished basements by the National Electrical Code. You do want to install them correctly and make sure they are functioning. A GFI outlet is easy to install, and a do-it-yourselfer can definitely do this project. First, remember to turn off the power before working on any outlet. When installing your GFI outlet, you will see the manufacturer has clearly marked with yellow caution tape these wire screws. These screws are only used if you are going to protect other outlets in the circuit, other downstream outlets in the circuit. If you only intend on protecting this individual outlet as the GFI safety outlet, then you only connect to what's called the line side of the outlet, and these screws are already exposed in the back. These line side screws, you can use 1 wire or 2 wire per connecting plate screw. The black goes to the brass colored screw, and the white neutral goes to the silver colored screw. You can use what's called a pigtail connection if you have 2 or more wires coming to one electrical nut, and then bring that out to the outlet connection. After installation, remember to always test your new GFI outlet to make sure when you test it, the power turns off and it is showing no current. This tester has a GFI safety test button also built into the tester directly. Another common reason for GFI outlets to be installed is ungrounded outlets. If you have an older house with ungrounded outlets, you can absolutely use GFI outlets for increased safety. You are installing a 3-prong outlet in an ungrounded service. However, if you do it correctly and install the no equipment grounding provided sticker with the kit, you are in good shape and will meet code and rental certification. Again, if this 3-prong outlet is to be installed on an ungrounded service, you are required to use the no equipment ground sticker provided in the kit.